Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. For today's video, we're gonna come to Camp Boa in Tanay Rizal. So, let's go. Kagabi, hindi ka naman na yung pagtulog mo dyan, hindi ka masyado na gising-gising. Wala ka naramdaman. May umakit dyan na aso eh. Inano ko kagabi. Yung hayatos, nakailan na ba tayo doon? 5 na, no? Ang dami na doon eh.
Ito Dito walang gwardiya dito.
Wala. Wala nga nag-iikot ng gabi sa'yo. Hindi katulad sa camping site, may magsasabi pa sa'yo na quiet time na pwede mag-ingay.
Walang nagsusurvey pa kasi.
Oo.
Dun sa ano, na kami kaya walang tao-tao.
Walang
Walang puno-puno.
bilad.
Bilag yun. Kaya lang, may gwardiya. May madalawang oras may survey, may nag-iikot. Pero di sila malapit at may ikot lang sila ng sa ano. Nagdadala sila ng flashlight. Nagkakapto mapapansin nila may word sa
Tatahimik sila.
Kasi sa labas ako natutulog eh. Kakakita ko nanong ko nagsiselfon ako. Ang dalawang oras nang ikot sila. May STD kasi silang gwardiya, dalawa.
Ay. For today's video, we're gonna cook balbakwa. I'm gonna show you how. Here's the ingredients. We need onions, garlic, and also bell pepper, chili finger, ginger, anato oil, and tomato sauce. And also we need a lot of beef stock for our so we need to saute first our aromatics. We're gonna start in our butter. Two tablespoons of butter. We put our onions. Then our ginger. The ginger. Our garlic. Then saute. Then, if you don't have the annatto seeds, we can use our annatto powder for the coloring. This is 10 gram. I think 5 grams is enough. So, lulutuin lang natin yung aromatics until it's soften the textures. By the way, our beef meat is already been pre-cooked, no? We boiled it at pressure cooker for about 2 hours. So this is almost so we can add the water. We're gonna add about 1.5 liter of water. If you have the stocks, beef stocks, it's good, but we're good for now. We're gonna use 2 big beef cubes for this recipe. We're using, by the way, we're using Knorr seasoning or Knorr beef cubes. Yeah. Then we can add our beef, pre-cooked beef meat. Actually, it's a mixture of beef and bones. No? Gonna use our yan. Laki. Kamay na lang natin. Okay. Then, laki. Yan. I think this is enough. We're gonna muna yung the other para naman mamaya. At magluluto tayo ng beef steak. Then, luto tayo ng beef steaks. And also, before I forget, if you have this sibot, you can add this on your recipe. If not, cinnamon stick or star anise is a good alternatives too. So lalagyan natin ng sibot. This is a Chinese herbs used for their soups. It's a mix of herbs. So that's it. Pwede na natin din i-add yung chili fingers natin, no? Later yung And that's it. We're gonna wait it until it's boiled. Now, while preparing, while waiting for our balbakwa to be cooked, let's gonna prep our beef sirloin. We're gonna cook beef steak. It's a Filipino style beef steak. We're gonna marinate with calamansi. Yes, calamansi, garlic, and soy sauce. We're gonna cut first our calamansi. Muna natin yung calamansi natin. Ayan, para may extra. Yeah! By the way, we're in Camp Boa, Tanay Rizal. So, we're here for our weekend camping. Anyway, this place is nice, no? One of the best camping site here in Tanay. They have a river access, but you need to cross two river going here. What else? It's more like an exclusive camping because in every camp location, this is the Camp A, riverfront. Solo mo yung camping site. So hindi ka na babother or nakaka-istorbo sa ibang campers, especially kung maingay. So this is I think ideal for family camping. No? The place is serene, wide, and clean. By the way, one of the cleanest website I haven't experienced. So yun. The rate here is I think 800 per head per overnight. So yun yung rate nila dito, and you need to book advance. If you are planning to stay here, so book kayo ng advance. Most of the time, if we have a plan to camp, I already prepared all of my ingredients for cooking for our meals, but right now I don't have enough preparation, so supposedly our calamansi has already been extra. So, we're done in our calamansi. Kailangan talaga naka-prepare ka. Ay. So we're gonna chop our garlic. You know what's good in camping? It will extend your resourcefulness when you camp, especially sa cooking, no? Kasi not all the equipments and ingredients are available, especially kung you're not really prepared. So kailangan mong mag-modify ng gamit or even the ingredients. Also, another good the camping is yung relaxing effect niya, no? Medyo relaxing sa mata, nakikita mo, relaxing sa ear, yung naririnig mo. Also the vibes, no? The relaxing vibes. So yung that's ano. Pero no, camping is not for it's not for everyone, but sometimes you must try it, no? Kasi you will never know kung para sa ba yung pagka-camping or hindi, no? Yung mga ibang gusto mag-try, you can try yung mag-rent ng mga equipment, no? Then try it like a day tour, not an overnight stay, just like a day tour. Some campsite offered a day tour. Just enjoy the outdoors, no? Kung mainit, medyo titiis ka talaga, no? But for some, may mga campers na they look for a solution. So may mga may mga campers na nagdadala ng air conditions. For our marinations, we're gonna use this calamansi juice, no? So tanggalin lang natin yung seeds. We pour the calamansi juice. Our garlic. Of course, our soy sauce. For the soy sauce, Mga think mga 5 tablespoon. Tatansyahin muna natin. Yan. Then, some black pepper powder. I think mga half spoon, tablespoon. Okay lang, madami. Yan. Then, let it sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour na bago natin siya lulutuin. Gonna use our hands to make sure everything is well mixed. Kasi pagka merong part na hindi siya hindi ma-touch ng marination, giging bland yung taste. Usually pag beef steak, we're gonna rely on marinations, no? Yung pagdating. Pero we season it naman while we're cooking this. Pero 60% of the nakasalalay talaga sa marination, the taste of our beef steak. That's it. Huh? Tatakpan natin. Wait for 1 hour. So let's check our balbakwa. Yan, nag-start na siyang kumulo, no? Let me check. Wow. Your favorite?
Tell me.
It's the beef soup. The bulalo soup. So, yan. Start na siyang kumulo. Let's put our other ingredients, no? By the way, we're gonna use salted black beans and also tomato sauce for this. So may pagka-sour taste yung balbakwa because of the tomato. Yeah, ayan. Ayan. Ay, hindi matatanggal yung kulubot, bebe. Mamaya pa yan matatanggal pagka matulog ka. If you don't, kasi iganon yan eh. Nikakain ng water yung yung skin natin. Angalan? Tanggalin natin yung sabaw ng black beans.
This isn't the charger.
I'm gonna charge it. Di pa natin na-charge yung bebe. Yung power station natin. So we add the salted black beans. And our tomato sauce.
Why are these potatoes on? Why did you put them? Why did you put them on spaghetti?
Dito pang spaghetti, this is tomato sauce.
Oh, no.
Iba yung spaghetti sauce.
That's yummy. Then why are
It
these
looks yummy, so you're hungry na.
Why are these potato sauce?
This is balbakwa, bebe. Dami. Meron pa ako doon isa pang buto na hindi nagkasya. Pero okay na rin to kasi sabaw to eh. Ayan. Tapos, titimplahan na lang natin and wait natin another 15 minutes na kulo, boiled, and check natin ulit. We gonna add our bell pepper. Bango. What's your conversation, guys? Welcome to my vlog.
Vlog lang yan sa vlog. Malalaman na nung ano na you're talking about me. You and me are talking about me.
Stop talking to the vlog.
Vice President.
Oh! Yes, Aaron!
Ang ganda.
Miss Camila.
Hello, baby. You're sleepy, I know. Huh?
Kasi mas mura yun kasi kasi.
Kilala na siya.
Wanna eat them
Hindi ko pa napuntahan ka. Paano yun?
Yung favorite nila to.
Yung sinasabi ni MJ dun sa ano, maganda rin daw.
Oo, yung Oreo.
Oreo.
The best one. Ano, George? Okay ba yung sabaw natin?
Saan yung bataan?
Hindi.
Op, op. Careful. Api, baka mahulog ka, Api. Chase, go to the middle. Yung ano, yung ano ito sa sudot na yun? Oo, maganda naman siya, pero parang
Ay, pero ako, yung beach kasi ng kasi mas maganda pa yung beach ng
pataas.
hindi ng Pamana.
Actually, nag-ano ang kabana.
Maganda lang ang pool ng
Kasi, pero doy hindi naman sulit, 15,000.
yun na nga. Diba? Yung price niya.
1 year in the making namin, pinag-upugan nila ng pinag-upugan namin.
Tapos nakakatuwa kasi sa Pamana, parang ang liit lang na. So, kita-kita. Tapos lagi namin pinipiling room din, yung pagkabas mo. Playground na.
May naunggoy?
Oo. Para at least yung mga kids,
Bata.
kahit na nandun lang ako sa may balcony, nakikita
Pero
ko
ang
Ito lang
maganda,
sa room. Pag nakikita mo, pwede na. Ito nga, naglalaro sila ng
actually maganda rin yung iba yung tinignan sa CCTV? Sa dulo, kaya lang, wala kayo ng mga
Pero hindi
tawid.
napapaliguan yung dagat na yun.
I-issue ka ng mga tao. Oo. Ano yun? Naman. Chase! Chase, mahulog ka!
yung mga guards lahat nagpuntahan din sa kasi sigaw ako ng sigaw.
Kaya ba siguro pa sila ng kwarto para kumakas ka?
Kumakatok sila.
Op, op, mapakamundok.
Kuya, kuya. Those about to let us pass by
Pumasok siya eh. Wala natin naman.
Pero Pero dun sa Kamana, nakalagay pa ka dun, di ba bawal uminom? May dala pa kaming pizza dun, puro alak.
Pero hindi
Talaga?
sila
Hindi sila maibig.
Imekbit niya.
Kasi yung mga may nakasabay kami doon, di ba sabi nila may package daw?
Nagjo-Jollibee mo.
Jollibee pa sila dun sa...
Sabi, saka di ba may bilang yung tao? Pero kami, apat kami nun, wala naman din tumakas ng...
Kami, actually yun ang gusto namin kasi maluwag nga sila. Pero nitong recent kasi, konti kasi yung mga nag-book. Kaya nag-grade. Oo, nag-grade kami. Yung dalawang.
So magkano yun? 20,000 yun? Hindi naman.
Hindi, parang may discount.
Naka-discount ka na.
Jamila pay.
Parang itong last namin 17 lang.
Puro. Pwede na.
Pero dati George, yung ganung presyo, 2 nights na namin.
Jamila, what gift do you want on the list?
Gusto ko yung dati. Parang ano yung magic sugar yung ano yung buto? Dati nabutan yung buto, 4 pesos.
Buko?
Di ba? Yung taas yung buto. Hindi yung mismo po.
Meron kasi rin po na.
Meron yung buko na. Todo na. Bye! Bulaga!
Saturday you're eating.
So, ano pa na pwede dessert dyan? Tingnan mo ka dun sa back. Anong chichirya mayroon dyan to? Nadala mo?
Kasi si Jelly daw.
Bakit? Ano yun?
Parang
Chicken,
parang may
chicken.
namin. Kasi nung time na nag-flare up yung EDSA mo, hirap kami pag-deliver. Ito sa mga nilokhan, wala mo na tayong chicken.
Ano ba nauna dyan? Chicken or egg? Are you sure? Saan galing yung egg? Eh, saan galing yung egg niya? But the egg came from the chicken also. Hey! Go to the middle.
Meron pa tayo sa mga gabi. Sa mga pinakasabi na yun.
Yan ba yun?
Kasi ako sabaw na. Sabaw mo.
And then Alan said, what? They're fighting.
Hindi ka masyadong
They're
daan.
fighting.
Thursday, busin mo yung rice mo.
I'm done. I ate two.
Thursday.
Oh. But they're eating the big boy.
Hindi ka kay Dada.
But
Oo!
popping up at 1 in the morning.
Hey, can you stay here lang? Kasi baka apagin ka ng dog anak eh. Come here, come here. Dito ka lang sit here. Oh, sabi na ako.
I said that.